Leads. I saw that advertisement about 20 years ago and I signed up. I know that's the most difficult thing you're dealing with right now is leads. How do I get more leads? I have built a machine in real estate. It's a YouTube channel that's evergreen that just keeps giving and giving and giving, and it's working for me.
Yes, and I've seen it firsthand. Paul's not only built one successful business, but he's built two successful businesses. Sold his insurance business for multi-millions, and now he's doing it in real estate and he's giving it to you for free.
Yeah, so we've put together a program where we're gonna teach you how to build your YouTube channel from scratch, nothing, just like I did. I have two very successful ones right now, and my one that's about getting leads, that one's hilarious. I mean, I just went to an appointment the other day, and I'm sitting with this gentleman, and I'm not making a connection with him. I mean, I'm trying hard. He said, I'm a businessman, I'm busy, and I gotta get on a Zoom call. And I said, well, what type of business do you got? I'm just trying so hard, but it's not really working, right? And I said, hey, he goes, what separates you? And I said, well, I have a YouTube page, and I'm telling you, I'm gonna advertise on it. He goes, did you do something on Windsong Ranch, which is a subdivision near him? And I said, yes, sir, I did. He goes, you were out in front of the big blue lagoon. I said, yes, sir, I was. He goes, I know you. He pulled up my video and showed me. He said, I wanna go with you. He goes, I gotta do this call. He actually showed me the Zoom. He was running the Zoom call. And I said, hey, cool. So I want to teach you how to do that. Brandon and I put together a program where we're going to sit in a class and you're going to have no YouTube presence at all. The time that class is over, we will get you up and running.